So we are now on a rescue mission to get Jack out of the mud hole, unfortunately. So this will be fun. Before we go any further, let's look back at how we got to this point. So this was the test drive for my F350 after we installed the suspension, the Carli leveling kit. And what we decided to do, instead of, just going for a normal street drive and making sure that everything works the way it should, we decided to go off-roading. So there's a bunch of public access trails near my friend's shop that we decided to go on. So it's Zach and myself in my F350, and then Jack and Ryan is ahead of us in Jack's Lexus GX470 SUV. And Zach, Jack, and Ryan had all been out on these trails before, but this is the first time for me. And they had a rough idea of where we were going within this. But we kind of ended up finding some new areas to go to, and exploring a bit while we were out there, which was fun until it wasn't. And we'll get to that later in the video, of course. But the F350 really handled all these off-road trails very well. Unfortunately, I don't have two cameras, so you pretty much just have the view of Zach and I riding in the truck, and you don't have a view of what the terrain was that we were going over during all this. But hopefully that's an improvement that I can make in the future if I start making more content like this. But with that being said, this is how our test drive went. So the beginning of the video here is just Zach and I riding in my F350. Yeah, that's what I was hoping. And what ends up happening later, and we'll get to this, is that we find a section of trails that is skinnier and tighter than what I want to drive my F350 down. So we end up just all four of us riding in Jack's Lexus SUV to go exploring, which is all good and well. But we end up pushing our limits a little bit too much, and you'll just have to watch along and see what happens. But yeah, it's definitely an interesting time. If you guys recall, the last time that all four of us were together and it was just the four of us was Tail of the Dragon, which that video is up as well on my channel, and that involved rescuing a vehicle. So if it's any foreshadowing for you guys, yeah, that should be enough to tell you what's going to happen for the rest of this video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Keep on watching. That's true. Doesn't need any help. Oh.
Uh-oh. You might have to go for it. There you go.
It ripped up.
Yeah. I think you would have gotten stuck.
Oh, yeah,
if you came to a stop.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, he's moving. As he's going.
Jesus.
We don't have a rope or anything. This is so bad.
I have a ratchet strap.
Oh, okay. He is.
I have a few actually. Watch yourself. This isn't that bad.
No, not at all.
They're so close.
Turn left, turn left.
Hard left. Oh yeah.
There you go.
I didn't hear any squeaking.
That was easy.
Yeah.
All right, see ya.
Hey, let me get Here, throw that headlight in the back too.
Hold this.
Corvette.
It's recording.
Oh, I could have thrown that back there. That was easy.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be that bad.
And we just go
It was
sliding
like
down that
this
hill.
part I was scared of. You got it.
Like the tree didn't.
I wish there was a place you could put that on the roof.
I would be afraid of it getting knocked off. That's fair.
I thought we couldn't go back together.
That's true.
That was a steep one.
That was steep.
Sad part is we have to get back out of here.
Yeah, that's the fun part.
It's cool. There's like a whole fucking lake though.
Yeah.
That like
It's
I
very
assume
bizarre.
Nobody
Alright, Jack.
would know about.
Get up it.
I think we could camp out
Yeah.
here and nobody would know.
I was
Probably
thinking
not.
that when I was walking down there. That there has not been touched.
You
in a
can go
long
back
time.
here and do so much math.
Yeah.
Glad I got that on
That's
video.
my meth run over there now, boy.
Next weekend.
Yeah, next weekend we're buying the meth.
Nothing like meth on Labor Day.
Yep. Not gonna work anyway.
This thing's too slow.
If we push this button, does that turn off the all-wheel drive?
Fucking
Yeah,
shake
that
cam.
locks it, so we
Oh,
got
fuck.
locked four-wheel drive. Nothing turns off the four-wheel drive.
You're just going right for this, huh?
Why not?
Yeah,
That's the worst that can happen. We can walk back to the shop from here. Oh, what's over there?
Oh. See clear under it, the car.
I need to see the video right now. Way higher.
It was long.
Really long. Yeah. Did we bottom out that time?
Oh,
It sounded
yeah.
like it.
Shit.
Dude, I couldn't see it at all.
You brought some of it with you. Oh my god.
Holy shit. So I went right here.
Yo, so we gotta do it again.
Why?
I don't think you went right there. I think
what's
you
that?
went. No, I think this is you.
Jack, this
both
is you.
both of these are you.
This is you.
Then what is this? This is fresh.
Well, look, that's your trailer hitch.
I was wondering what the thud was. I thought it was the rear
I
end.
had to duck to not get hit in the face
That?
with this branch.
Well, that's what I thought too. You were hanging out the entire time.
Hit. I was like, oh, what the fuck?
I thought
Oh my god.
I thought you were gonna get hit by the branch and have your sternum cracked off the A pillar.
No, it was just my
But like,
neck.
look right here. What is that?
I don't know.
That looks like something steered right there, but I don't remember seeing that earlier.
It is kind of
Like that's fresh, right?
fresh are we talking?
Like it's still loose mud.
That's dry. Well, not as muddy as that.
Whatever. Let's go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, what am I dripping? Is that water? I hope so.
Ooh, that's dripping a lot.
Holy shit! No, I didn't.
What is it?
Look at all the bits of
Oh,
shit. I bottomed this thing out.
Oh my god.
Oh.
So you gonna do it again?
No. Oh my gosh! I'm just glad it's not fucking coolant.
Poor car.
It's
Look,
just getting
it
a
went
light.
through the grills.
It's just a light ride.
Light off-roading?
Yeah, light off road.
Yeah. Fuck it, let's go.
Dude, you look like you drove through the Pine Needle trailer at Lowe's.
This thing is old. It's got 300,000 miles on it.
Are you, sir? You have no right to tell me anything.
Windows up and floor it.
Oh god.
I don't want to go to that one.
Don't hit the tree on the.
Yeah.
Are you kidding? You were gonna go through that?
No, I don't want to go through that, but I don't know about this one either.
You got it.
How deep is it?
Not that deep.
We're gonna find out.
Keep going.
He's never even put anything into it to see how deep it is.
It's fine.
Oh, that's pretty shallow.
Yeah, you're good.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Pretty
That's
shallow.
the tree on your
You're
right.
good on the right.
I was worried about that tree on the right.
Yeah, you're clear.
That was pretty fucking narrow, actually.
That was narrow.
Because I started to slide, I was like, oh boy.
We gotta do more of this.
We do.
Here's your whoops.
Oh, no.
No.
Terrible idea.
Oh
This
my,
thing would
dude,
be
imagine hitting that at
total.
speed.
I think these were like jumps.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not
At some
whoops.
point.
This is like
Yeah.
the 2 supercrosses in the year that they make the whoops that you can jump them.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
These are pretty cool strips. Why does it look like we're below the water to our left?
I think it's the reeds.
So is there a turnaround
Oh
point?
my god, there's
I hope
so
so.
many whoops.
I have no idea if there's a turnaround point.
This isn't even like
Oh,
Oh,
whoops.
there's water up there.
Yeah.
Ooh.
That looks kind of deep.
You want to walk?
I'll go look.
I can't believe I hit that fucking puddle.
Yo, it's a movie,
Oh my gosh. Well, I got good content for today.
Yeah. Can we dub this as like do it for the after movie? Call me crispy.
It's finna be a movie.
Oh gosh, how are you gonna get past this?
I don't know.
Just like that, I guess.
Imagine your truck back here.
It would not do it. There's no way. I'd have to fold the mirrors in.
Oh, what is that?
Hey, look, an option lane.
Dude, that looks like a bog.
What?
That looks like a bog.
Put it in 4.
Put
I
it in
don't.
four.
There's fish in there.
It's just tadpoles.
I don't trust that at all.
Let's go fast.
You want me to get out and stand?
I
On
don't
the
trust
back?
that at all.
Why not?
That looks like some thick
It's
mud.
not very deep. It might be thick, but it's not very deep.
It's not really that deep.
Yeah, you can see the bottom.
I'm just going one tire in. Oh no!
Oh, the paint!
Oh my gosh!
Big scratch?
Big scratch right by Spencer's right hand.
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's just a scuff or is it a scratch?
It's just a scuff. Let's try the old spit shine.
Tremonti.
Oh, she's good.
We can bump it. It'll be alright.
Whoa, don't hit me with the branch though.
It sounded like a rotten piece of wood.
It did.
Which is.
I think I could go through that safer than this right now. Is it branch?
Hold on.
There?
Let's go see how dry it is. If it's
It looks dry,
I believe you could do.
but the branch is in the way. Gotta move the branch.
Truck the branch.
The scientific test of how
It
to
is
find
a
out.
scientific
That's
test.
dry, dude.
It's a little muddy.
I guess it's dry enough.
Can you move that branch that's in the way?
You mean those few branches that are?
I mean, I can just keep pushing this in now.
The whole tree. It's probably really soft, whatever it is.
I can hug the left side.
It's really soft, but
just run it over. Fuck it.
Well, I guess it's the higher one I'm worried about.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck.
Oh fuck!
No.
Oh boy.
Uh oh.
Oh, that is so fucking stuck.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you.
hold on, Jack. Don't do anything else. We gotta. Oh, I think you're gonna light these things on fire.
Yeah.
Gosh, dude. How do we get that out?
Holy shit!
No. Spencer, how long's your toe strap?
I have a 30-foot ratchet strap.
That's it?
I have a few of them.
Oh my gosh, dude. I didn't know it was like that.
I told you. I guess you didn't hear.
I heard you say, oh, it's not that wet.
Houston, we got a
That was
problem.
so in there. We're gonna have to pull it backwards, I think, Spencer.
Yeah, we gotta get my truck in here.
We'll get it in here.
Oh my gosh, I hate you guys.
I'll stay with the vehicle, I guess.
Oh,
What?
I hate this. That thing's so in there.
So
We'll get it out.
Did I just kick a chicken wing that hadn't been eaten?
Yep.
It was like dust.
I think if we pull it backwards, maybe.
Yeah. That's probably the best bet.
Yeah.
But dude, I'm like bumper down back here.
So we are now on a rescue mission to get Jack out of the mud hole, unfortunately. So this will be fun. Unfortunately, we're also squeezing my F350 into spots that it probably should not fit, so.
There you go. It's got to go wide. It's gonna hit that tree. Back. Go back straight up. Okay, now come this way. Straight. Just go straight. All right, turn. Jesus Christ. This is so wide.
Makes my truck feel small.
Yeah.
So we have a ratchet strap?
I have 5 ratchet straps.
I say
probably
we
gonna need 'em all.
we use all 5 like loops.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to.
I didn't even know they were up that high.
$300-something. They're like
It runs Ryan over.
Alright. I didn't know we were going to be out here so long. I would have brought spare batteries because that thing's going to die.
I don't think any of us had planned on being out
No
here
one
that
planned
long.
this part. Alright, Spencer, it's sitting
I
right
expected
here.
to drive down the trail and turn around.
Yeah, we left the lights on in the shop and everything.
Yeah, we'll be back.
No way.
Don't get too excited yet.
I'm surprised it's even lifting it.
Is it?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Hold on. I got my strap twisted.
Like, we could try to pull it that way, but that's when you get sketchy, just a hook like that. You need to at least loop it through.
I don't think we're gonna get it.
Well, let's make sure my wheel's not obstructed. Oh, definitely.
We could probably pull them like this, but it's a little scary.
No, you don't want to do just hooks like that.
Straps can bust too.
Those hooks will just let go, and then he's losing the window or somebody's losing the face.
Good.
We need to like.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go. Oh my god.
Oh, the fender flare.
What?
All right, never mind. It's flared like that normally. My bad.
Oh, at the bottom? Yeah. There you go. Easy.
Gross. That came out way easier than I thought. Pretty relieved.
I think
Hey, what brand are these wheels?
look over the rope thing works.
I think
Because the knot is
the knot's
no
it doesn't
tighter.
tighten. He should have locked the diff too. I don't know.
I did.
Oh, you did? Yeah. God damn, dude. You gotta come look at your rut.
Oh my. Holy shit. How did that come out of there?
That looks like a head gasket. Milkshaked.
It does.
I mean, look at how steep that
Yeah.
is.
It literally went in and gravity took over.
It came right out.
Well, guys,
Straddle it like this.
Yeah.
it's been fun off-roading. We're getting back to the shop, and we're wrapping this one up. So,
Spencer, we're not out yet.
We're not, yeah, you're
no,
We're not out yet.
we're done with the GoPro. This is the end of the recording. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see everybody next time.